Hi, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. We're looking at a potential issue with the ice chute gasket and the ice bucket gasket that may be causing excess ice and frost buildup in the ice maker or ice maker compartment on the Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. If either one of these gaskets is not sealing properly, it's going to allow outside air into the ice maker compartment, which will freeze and cause excess ice and frost buildup. With the doors open, the first thing that we're going to check is the gasket on the ice bucket. To remove the ice bucket, we'll grab the bottom, lift up, and pull out to remove. Some older models may have a button that you'll need to depress to remove it. With the ice bucket removed, check the gasket, making sure that it's not ripped, cracked, or become too rigid that it's preventing a proper seal. If you find that you have a bad seal on your ice bucket, it's not sold separately by Samsung, so you'll have to replace the entire ice bucket as an assembly. While you've got the ice bucket out, it's a good idea to inspect it for cracks. You can check out our other ice bucket video that shows how to do that. After inspecting the ice bucket, you can reinstall it by pushing it until it snaps into place. Next, we'll inspect the ice chute gasket. Check the ice chute gasket to make sure it is not ripped, cracked, or become too rigid, preventing a proper seal. You can also leave the right door open and close the left door to watch it and make sure that it's sealing properly. If you need to replace the ice chute gasket, you can check out our other video that shows how to replace this. If you find that either one of these gaskets is bad, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure that you get the correct part. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.